To all the people who support me, continue support. But love, alright? Yo, peeps. So it's been 1 year. Yeah, 1 year now. New year just start. Just want to know something there. Still I fight the fight. Still I hold on. Odds are gonna stay strong. You know the country youths do it. To all the people who support me, continue support. No, nothing but love, alright?
And that was Usain Bolt. He was literally rewinding on the experience of him being scammed of $12 million last year. It was a very sad situation for Usain Bolt when he was being scammed of $12 million. One of the best legend in track and field. Many people are wondering how it happened and who really did this to him. But Usain Bolt has not yet spoken about who really scammed him, and he is not somebody that complains. So this video was literally Usain Bolt saying that he has been grateful despite everything that has happened. He has been doing well despite him being scammed. So this video is literally Usain Bolt trying to let everybody know that despite the fact he has been scammed, that does not mean he doesn't have money. Let me know what you think.